In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download and install GTA 5 here on a PC. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, you can do this a few different ways. You can do it directly through Steam, you can go ahead and do it through the Epic Games Launcher, or you can do it through the Rockstar Games Launcher. No matter which of these two programs you choose, you're gonna have to get the Rockstar Games Launcher either way. So just keep that in mind. In my case, I actually have it through the Epic Games Launcher just because there's a sale going on. But essentially, open up whatever one you want, and when you are on the store page, just simply go ahead and search for, GTA 5, just like so. Hit search, and you're going to see GTA 5 pop up. As you can see, it's literally $14 right now on the Epic Games Store. Definitely worth picking up if you don't already have it, but essentially select that, scroll down, and then go ahead and hit install or purchase over here. And once it does purchase, it's going to appear in your library just like so. Once you are in your library, go ahead and find it and then hit install. Right next to it, there's going to be two versions, Grand Theft Auto 5 Legacy and Grand Theft Auto 5 Enhanced. You could choose either one of these options, but if you were doing this for like roleplay and whatnot, make sure you're doing the Legacy version, which is just not going to say Enhanced. Once you go ahead and do that, it's going to go ahead and make you, as soon as you hit launch, load into the Rockstar Games Launcher. So it's going to make you download the Rockstar Games Launcher as well. Keep that in mind. But once it does go ahead and download for you, you're going to be prompted to create a Rockstar account if you don't already have one. I already have one, so I'm just going to sign into my account real quick. And after you do sign in, it'll automatically load you into GTA 5. Now, GTA 5 is about 111 gigabytes, so just make sure that when you are installing this, you're installing it in a storage that does have, at least a decent amount of space. But after you do start getting loaded in, you're literally good to go. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.